Today I am going to show you about a new recipe. Everyone, a new recipe, and I think that it is a yummy cooking and a yummy for me and also for you too if you do it. So I'm going to show you. If you want to know more about this recipe, so please watch my video to be continued. Everyone, we have a little bit the kitchen like this. We have like this. And then we take this kitchen to cook. We cook chicken first, everyone. Then we add water like this. We cook it maybe 20 minutes already, and then it's already cooked. So wait for it cooking. Garlic, everyone. Wow, it is green onion. It's really good, everyone. We take some of it. And also we have cheese, everyone. So we take the outside of cheese like this. And then we do like this on it, step by step. This is our kitchen, everyone. Wow, it nearly to be already cooked, but maybe we wait 5 minutes later. Everyone, our kitchen is already cooked now. So we start to fry. This is oil, everyone. We put oil. And then we put butter. Garlic. Sugar. Fish sauce. Cheers, everyone. And then it's the time to add rice. It's chili, we add a little. add green onion. Everyone, our rice now is already cooked, so we will take this rice to merge with and to eat with chicken, everyone. We put like this. Wow, it's so cute, everyone. We add more chicken like this. Add more green onion. Everyone, it smells so good. Now it's the time to eat, so let's eat with me. It tastes so good, everyone. Listen, everyone. Yummy, everyone. It is just my testing, everyone. So now the sky is nearly to be dark, so I think it is the time to say goodbye, everyone. Now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, thank you, and don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about the recipe of food and also the landscape like this to show you more for other video and for the next video. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, thank you for watching.